Hello, I'm very excited today that I have the opportunity to talk about the great thing that happened to both my wife and I. We had very challenging issues with our eyes, besides the cataract, stigmatism, some other things. I've got small eyes, deep sockets, and things like that. So we had some challenges, and there's not many times in your life you get to go to the best, and that's what we had. We had a chance to go to the best eye surgeon in the world. We took it, and I'm really happy today because I'm at the point where I've had both eyes done, and it's amazing. I can already tell the difference, and it's been only about a month, a little less than a month since the second eye was done, and already it's a significant difference. So it's been a very positive experience. For one, you get to work with the best. The entire staff is the best. The experience is like no other medical experience. It's not a depressing clinic or very sterile environment. The surgery itself is amazing process that they go through. And you certainly feel like a valued customer as opposed to just another medical patient, which is an unbelievable experience. I mean, I don't like going to the doctor, but this was like no other experience that I've had with any other medical profession. And I've been to a lot of good doctors and a lot of great clinics and things like that, but this was an amazing experience. So, very happy. My wife is a little bit ahead of me. She's had her surgery first. Like I said, I'm just finishing up with my second eye, and it has just been an absolutely wonderful experience. I still have a ways to go to see the final results, but I can look around now and tell you everything looks sharp, clear. I've come a long ways, and this is just very, very exciting. So I recommend, if you're even thinking about doing something for your eyes, this is well worth taking the time and effort to explore and learn about what's offered here. Also, I want to mention, going back to the very beginning, that we're very fortunate. We had an eye doctor in Huntsville, Alabama, where we used to live, talk to my wife and say, hey, I know this doctor that does great things. You need to check it out. We moved close to Jacksonville, so we were very fortunate. And that's how we eventually got to Jacksonville. And my wife, as I said, had some great challenges with her eyes. Most doctors wouldn't take on that kind of a challenge. And we were very fortunate. She went through the surgery. And I had a chance to watch how the surgery went. And I said, man, I got to do this. The surgery spa. And I use that word because, as I mentioned previously, it's not like going to any other clinic. It's an amazing process. And I don't know about you, but I don't like necessarily going to visit a doctor or going to a clinic or a hospital, that type of thing. This experience was absolutely outstanding. It is not like anything you've been through before. It's very customer, I use the word customer, not patient, very customer oriented. The surgery spa it's almost a relaxing experience. You're taken care of. Everybody is extremely professional, and it was not a negative experience at all. That was amazing. Never been through something like that, some medical procedure where I felt so relaxed or so confident, and it really was a very positive experience. So I think that's unique. The follow-up, well, the pre-op, obviously, and the follow-up care has just been top-notch, so very excited about that. Very, very fortunate that somebody recommended to us to check it out, and it's just turned out to be way, way beyond our expectations. And we had high expectations going in because this is my first follow-up to having my second eye done, and it's unbelievable already, the results. I can tell dramatic results. Excuse me, let me make it clear. What both my wife and I had done, it's not simple cataract surgery. It's not that. It's LaZrPlastique, where it's much more than just cataracts. It's fixing, in my terms, it's fixing everything they can fix to make your eyes the best they can be, which is very exciting. And the surgery spa and that process, it's not frightening at all. I experienced no pain before surgery, during surgery, after surgery. That's just amazing to me. It's not simple surgery. It's not something they go in and just fix like a simple cataracts. It is much more than that, where again, in my simple terms, is they make your eyes the best they can possibly be for you.